Mbuli ngibulise ngibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho othe wasinika sona seNewsroom Africa kwindaba zethu ukuthi sizohlala phansi sikhulumisane nawe.
Ndiyabulela Mhlekazi. Kubulela mina.
uMzwakhe Mbuli u2023 manje. uMzwakhe Mbuli lento wayeyiboshelwa eyishayelwa all the tortures as musician. Ingaba uyayibona today ukuthi iyabonakala?
Mhlekazi, khona isisho sesizulu sithi ukuthela amanzi emhlane wedada. Izeleze. Ngicishe ngathi thankless struggle. Kunabantu abahlupheka emandulo baya to the promised land. Asekafika upromised land. Kubuhlungu ukuthi leko kushoyo ukukhandleka, ukukhahlelwa, ukuhlukunyezwa, udutshulwa, indlu iqhumiswa ngamabhomu. Mawufuna ukubona izithelo azikho. La ngihleli khona ngihleli ngulo muntu obezibuza na last year 2022 ukuthi ubona uDeclerk ku BBC athi apartheid was not crime against humanity. Nenhlanhla ngakhuluma ku newsroom 2 weeks before kuba nomruso ziduma le parliament iFF ngathi uDeclerk is a criminal. Nokuthi angizwanga enemy inika peace prize. uDeclerk kade head ye State Security Council ebe irresponsible for state sponsored violence noma ama death squads. Kodwa wathola ipeace prize noMandela. Azange ngayivuma kuhle ngoba ngiyiphinda namhlanje. Ngizama ukuthi lento ishoyo mangithi is a thankless struggle. Kithina ungathi is like a dream gone wrong. Ngathi khona into engahambanga kahle ngesizulu sithi kazi kwakhala nyonini. Le democracy lengathi yendlala le. I democracy inequality. Le democracy le ile ye poverty. Le democracy le last year ukuthi kune bill of rights. Ukuthiwa ine best constitution le democracy. Ngikhuluma nawe nje thina i-democracy censorship. Uma ngabe mina phansi kombuso wamabhunu uMzwakhe Mbuli engadlalwa nomusic wakhe ungafuneki. Siku-democracy ke le uMzwakhe Mbuli usavaliwe i-perpetuation of apartheid legacy. So sinenkinga la ekhaya. So ngizama ukuthi yini lo ngayikhomba. Umile Makeba wathi Mzwakhe my son. Mzwakhe my son. Lena i-premonition. We are from abroad, we are from America to another America. After 30 years. Umama Africa ehlonipha umhlaba wonke wahamba esikhulumela United Nations the greatest speech asenza ekhuluma ngobantu lwesere. Umama Africa wathi I should be getting other jobs, mhlambe ama workshops athola isala mhlambe kwa arts and culture. Uthe mayiqeda ukukhuluma nami wahamba waphesheya estage eItaly wadlula emhlabeni njengesotsha lafela empini. Le country le. Nganifuna ukwazi ngama artists they go down to their graves with broken hearts. But they are hailed. But in their contempt, we see this is bayahlukunyezwa abaphathwa kahle kodwa mase bambile emhlabeni kungathi good riddance. That's when bathola umculo wabudlalo ngazathi ama crocodile tears ngathi manje kuthiwa good riddance bahamba noma after party uthandwa la ekhaya umphefumulo usuphumile umoya ungasehlangananga nenyama uyathandwa uma umoya usahlangane nomphefumulo nemzimba awubonwa kodwa ithi awudlule emhlabeni. The best speeches, best condolence messages ziyaphuma kule country. Nasemngcwabeni wakhe bazokulethela nembali ongazithola usaphila.
Baba Mbuli sike sakubona and ayiwewe plus khona nezinye artists ezibe brave enough. You are still brave even today. Ukuthi nihambe niyo stage nenza ba walk in niye khona ku public broadcaster nelwela khona ukuthi umusic wenu uzokhona ukuthi ufumane iplay udlala. 29 years of freedom nisalwa esi struggle nanisilwa before singene kule democracy.
Sivile ake sithethe inyani manje sami sizulu sithi kubhlungu ukukhuluma iqiniso ezweni lamanga. Ngithi ngangivale umlomo ku SABC under apartheid kulungile. First of Fairwood bebe ne reason why bebangamfuna uMzwakhe Mbuli. uMzwakhe Mbuli akabhala squeeze me baby type of lyrics. Siyesa ku 94 saja ke silinde sibone kuzoba noshintsho down the airways because wasazi ukuthi dominator foreign music, foreign cultures. angisho nale kukodesa zange kwakhulunywa ngearts and culture leyo ayibe clear mina lapho ila mhlawumbe izinto zabheda khona nakhona zange kukhulunywa ngearts and culture sidlule lapho kule salinda sifuna ukubona ukuthi manje indaba ukuthi manje umculo waphesheya wona phuma phambili sijabulile phela kubuye ugwango uHuma Sikela into zokuzishintsha izinto zange shintsha 95 ngathatha ngamobilize ama artist onke 95 96 whether uJonas Gwangwa whether uBrenda Fassie uLucky Dube Jabu Khanyile obosikhwini obuMahlatini ngathatha wonke umuntu sayivali eSABC bathi ngesingisi it's a brick wall sasidila nabantu abangafuna ukusizwa sikhuluma ngalolu daba sa occupy ama speed obo repeat bangena ngenkani kuma studios sa interrupt ama programs 95 96 akwenzakala baletha izinja nesecurity kugcina nje sokunzima okay ngabona ukuthi ngizolimazisa ingane zabantu 97 kusesokhona uHoward Bellings ilawyer saya sisamanje memorandum kuMandela Union Building 97 sichaza zonke into ezenzakala inkinga zama artists eplay kuningi piracy palo kuningi 1997 ngokuhamba kwesikhathi mawuzwela ke sisule ngena aba igroup CEO eSABC nga stage I sit in one man ngithi eSABC radio stations u18 azidlale ingoma yama drugs ngabhala ingoma yama drugs akwenzakala ngalutho ngaze nga stage sit in buka namhlanje wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngama drugs cocaine mandrax drug trafficking instead ngisho 5 out of 25 albums zami sikhuluma nge-gender based violence kuna track lama drugs awadlalo until latest vukadaki inayo futhi gender based violence it's monsters ayidlalo la ekhaya ngizama ukubonisa ukuthi nge-10 March 2022 again from 1997 kuMandela sibuyile futhi 2022 10 March another March a memorandum delivered eSABC yayibona yonke leminyaka akwenzakali lutho ezinye zezinto ngangizigcizelela mawubhala ingoma uRebecca Malope ubhala iartist noma umchanga nomzulu awubhaleli ukuthi udlala kwekwezi FM noma unothembi i-guitarist yakho keyboard player yakho umsuthu umchanga nomvenda so ile ngoma yethu it's a song hayi ukuthi yamachangani yamazulu so mayibhala ingoma uRebecca Malope ayibhaleli ukuthi fanele idlale ngesonto Sunday only
2 weeks back if I unpuzzle maybe mina bengiqala uyibona I came across the article ethi you are no longer attending interviews SABC and about boycott I can't right now but something like that you boycotted SABC you are no longer going to the interviews with
yeah I think mhlakazi fanele be clear ngoMarch bekuthiwa yini Human Rights Day mina ngisayibiza Sharpeville Day ama phone calls bemaningi bafuna ama SABC beyovela yibo baningi 18 radio station ama callers amaningi abebefuna ukuthi ngibe on air iSABC le SABC ayimdlalo uMzwakhe Mbuli kodwa yafuna ukuziprofile ngama interviews kaMzwakhe Mbuli makushoni artist bamkhumbula uMzwakhe Mbuli enhlile ukugcina ile yamanje uMzwakhe Mbuli mayiphila abamdingi makune room fake news ukuthi uMzwakhe Mbuli uyagula kwembula kwembeso ku-ICU iSABC yabuya futhi yamfuna uMzwakhe Mbuli so ifuna ukuzwa makuthiwa uyahamba tabloid approach mayephila umculo womzwakhe udlalo mayehamba emhlabeni kuzodlalo so ngizama ukuthi ke asingabi hypocritical bathi laba abanye bathi hayi lena i-current affairs ngama issues akuvuka Daki album ama issues are current affairs gender based violence
ukhona ubaba yake wajongana nemicimbi esebenza eSABC uhlawudi Mthwaneni uye waintroduce into ekuthiwa ngo-90% fanphazana shokuthi uzawudlala music wala ekhaya 90% radio and all over yayi idea enhle leyo bayixhasa abanye bayikhaba yaphela iphelele emoyeni what your thoughts were now about la initiative
yeah asike senze kanje akumele ngisho le kumele ngisho lento uma uWhitney Houston ehamba emhlabeni kwaba ne total shutdown zonke into ezidlala uWhitney Houston ku television American singer regardless ukuthi ushone kanjani overdose yabo cocaine noma drugs kodwa what dominate espace eSouth Africa. Bashona bo spokes agent abanye bosinyaka kwathi icwaka abanye kuba iclip nje newsreel ukuthi ubani udlulele emhlabeni. If uthanda reggae, the father of reggae uRibani Wailer nayo wadlula emhlabeni last kwathi icwaka. iSouth Africa ngo-2010 yahosta iWorld Cup yeFIFA. Abo Sepp lathi banomthetho othi masiya endaweni sifuna ukubona iculture yakhona mhlambe nomculo wakhona. Saba ne-airplay eningi ngendlela ongumangalisa amathi samsho ama-royalties kwaba mnandi. After iWorld Cup kwathula kwathi icwaka. Back to square one. Now, should lento is doable into engenzakala kunamaboom la ekhaya.
Besandobona ke kudala umzekelo utata uVusithanda iactor nomama uLosanda Mgcinga lapha eEastern Cape uyisinga. Becela amalizo ku social media abanamali abanayo next. Abantu sibabiza ngoba legends. Is that how you treat your legends?
Yeah. Ngithe this country treats ama-artists are contemptuously and deem them as heroes or heroines when they are gone. Ibhlungu masobona abantu asinama-millionaires la ekhaya. Uma la ekhaya udinga ama-350. Ama-artists abadinga ama-350 udinga i-airplay. Njalo once after 6 months u collect ama-royalties eSAMRO. Uhuma Sikela washo into eshiwo ama-artists ukuthi under apartheid ama-royalties eSouth Africa bothola more money wakufika uMarch noma kufika uSeptember ngesikhathi ama-royalties. Kude democratic South Africa ama-artists adonsa kanzima yingakho bazibulala. Ngakhuluma nomunye umthaka engakahambi emhlabeni uProkid ubonda kasena airplay uWHP mayizibulala kwesibili efuna ukuzibulala kwesibili ngakhuluma naye asho ukuthi uvaliwe sivaliwe kubhlungu wahamba emhlabeni sengikhulumela ngomakheba kukhona into engekho right la kodwa uma uhamba emhlabeni hey ba ready labantu ingakho manje ube kuthi uMzwakhe Mbuli is critical ulight support bese be ready uthole airplay you give me flowers ithi isho njalo ipoetry yami why give me flowers when give me flowers my heart beats give me flowers my heart yearns for jubilee ufuna unginike imbali sengasazizwe ufuna ukungenzela umusa sengayekho emhlabeni unguthanda kanjani isidumbu umuntu angasaphili kanti mayisaphila wangamthandi lo hypocrisy. But I think something needs to happen. You know, when Nathi Mthethwa became the minister, somebody gave him my phone numbers. Whether Luthuli, Ngamba no Nelson Nyazani Mufumadi. It was 4 o'clock, Pretoria, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 3 hours. Ngibrifa lo muntu oyi-Minister of Arts and Culture fanele azi kwenzakalani la kwa-Arts and Culture kune-Sarkin Roadies Association abo-Freddy Nyathela i-Parkos ngi-explainer everything to a minister. Now khona into engayifuni futhi ingenzeki ngibone bejikela uDuma Ndlovu ingenzeki. I will never accept any award from a government le. It will be too late. It's long overdue. If I was to be given an award angazi nimibizana onke lamakhamanga whatever into zakho angeke ngiziamukele. It's too late ukuthi a person like yazi ama-awards bapha nabantu abahamba ngama-cadet nabantu abangakazalwa lama presidential awards but khona lo ngathi khona umuntu osebenza show icishe ifana nayo le service uMzwakhe Mbuli lafanele mbeke eceleni ngalike ngimbeke eceleni
ngizobuza lonto lama award awukatholi
ngama-journalist checkani ukuthi bapha bani ngama-journalist hambani check ukuthi bake bapha bani Sibongile Khumalo bake bapha ngisho King Sobhuza uMzwakhe Mbuli a person who was a commander of the armed forces the people's poet. So mangabe database of the NK, I am the one. Ask anybody, ask Ayanda Dlodlo, ask Tokyo Sikwa, ask anybody in this country. That's Okutela, the generals. Ukuthi ubani uMzwakhe Mbuli exactly bengagcina a poet. Was the commander of the armed forces.
Ministry of Arts and Culture, ashintsha minister uNgenelo Phumelo. Nangoku sino minister uMchawasando ngena. Ngaba uMbuli kwi-Department of Arts and Culture nezi-artist ikhona into enenza nibe nelunda nibe proud ukuthi kuna something esiyitholayo for ama-artist
lana kulethwa abantu abangane-idea ngifuna nje bekhele uphathi so uzoyenzani then bese aboJonas Gwanga kumele emakeba basafarele kukhona le gang esinye seyithombe ngibonisa ukuthi akukho mnandi la ekhaya bese uqhamuka iproposal ukuthi kuzokwenza iflag ye 22 million abantu belambile iflag ye-22 million. Usalalelo kune-54 million ye-orchestra. Le nto kodwa abantu balambile, abantu badonsa kanzima. So, bese kuqhamuka ezinye zabo 1 billion manje yabo Tottenham Hotspur. Ngiyethemba uMinister o-Tourism manje uzothola iclip esimenzele yona khona into enhle umuntu ayenzile yenza abantu bathanda i-tourism ala ekhaya. Kuye charity begins at home. So konke lokho kuhoxisiwe. Hayi ukuthi abantu we-fired. Le nto ziloko ziyaqhubeka phambi kwamehlo abantu. Kune 300 million during COVID ofana isize ama-artists oku-arts wenza amacansi ku-theatre 300 million bagcina bosibongile Khumalo sibongile Ngoma nabo Brian Ntombela bayoyenza uqhinqo i-sit-in e-NAC for 60 days abantu besimame fanele baye esikhathini ngoningi uyathola bagezi basemo i-60 days because kunale 300 million eyakhishwa kanikezwa abantu abanama-baker dry clean unregistered, deregistered companies la ekhaya.
So umyalezo wakho ukugcina ofuna ukudlulisa nama-artist
message efika qala kimi le ma-ex-combatants ukuthi uhamba and lose your youth, uhamba uphelelo ubusha bakho uthi uyolwela lelizwe uthi likhuleke. Uma ubuya ngelinye ilanga ifamily you are an extra plate uyi-burden. They die without medical aid, die without houses, without cars. God abantu bahamba ba sacrifice for me and you. Ama-artist ngimene esizulu sithemba lebulali. Nalaba kwa SABC bavala boMzwakhe Mbuli bazodlula namabhuni irabo yadlula. Nalaba mangabe basaqhubeka ke la it's like ibaiting lamabhuni agcine khona nabo bazodlula. Ithemba lebulali kuhle nikhona nizintatheli nisize niveze nezinto ezifihlekileyo but kimina it's vuka daki walala wasala. Now is the time to break the mental chains. Now is the time for soul searching. Now is the time to reclaim dignity and power. Poverty is color in South Africa. In South Africa, poverty is color. Silence could mean cowardice. The end of apartheid did not end poverty. The end of apartheid did not end inequality. The end of apartheid did not end racism. Vuga taki, walala wasala. Now is the time to change the narrative. Now is the time to think deep. People have become carbon copies of foreign cultures. People have become victims of commercial propaganda. A destiny is not determined by the choices. Destiny is not determined by the foreign designs and concepts. Destiny is determined by the choices you make. Vuga taki, walala wasala. Now is the time for patriotic love. Now is the time to support township economy. Now is the time ECAS. Now is the time to support rural economy. And now is the time to buy black. Now is the time to be brilliant. Vuga taki walala wasala. The future is in your hands. Black lives matter.